Happy Patriarchy Day. Oops. Happy Raksha Bandhan Day. Yes, I congratulate all the brothers and sisters for having celebrated today as Happy Raksha Bandhan Day. And almost I'm very happy to declare that I have been since morning today moved to tears. Although you can see my tears because of my dark circle that I have developed overnight, but I have been moved to tears since morning. And these are not tears, these are actually tears of happiness of Happy Raksha Bandhan. Now, why is Raksha Bandhan moving me to tears? Tears of happiness of Raksha Bandhan. It is because Raksha Bandhan celebrates the role of brothers as protectors and the role of sisters as protected. Congratulations. And that's why I said it is Happy Patriarchy Day. Oops, Happy Raksha Bandhan Day. Now, let's build a society. Let's build a society where all the sisters would be unsafe. Let's build a civilization, let's build a culture where all the sisters will be unsafe. And then, having built this beautiful society where all the sisters are unsafe, then build a ritual like today's Happy Raksha Bandhan, where you will need the brothers to protect all the sisters. And then once the sister will be protected, the sister would be thankful to the brothers for having protected their virginity, their femininity. So all it is doing, it is creating a society that is unsafe and then telling the male members to be the protector, which is a patriarchal gender role, that if you are sexed male, you are supposed to become the protector, the savior. And once you are born as sexed female, your job is to be protected by those male sex bodies in the form of dada, in the form of bro, in the form of brothers. Now, why it is moving me to tears, why I am actually crying, and these are the tears of happiness, it is because unfortunately we celebrate cultural rituals in a specific way that only consolidates, stabilizes, and fixes the gender stereotypes. I would be now tempted to introduce a concept of topophilia right now. What is topophilia? Topophilia means your desire to destabilize your gender role between what society wants you to be and your hunger for geographical explorations. Or in simple words, all the women are geographically fixed and stabilized in kitchen, so they are not expected to move beyond kitchen. So they do not have the topophiliac or geographical desire to explore the world, because your job is to cook and stay put in kitchen and kitchen alone. It is the job of men to explore topography, to explore geography. So the traveling, taking trip to geographical, topographical explorations and adventures is not geographical exploration. It is a gendered act of masculinity. And staying rooted to kitchen or to house is not staying rooted to kitchen or house. It is staying rooted to your gender role, that is femininity. মেয়ে হয়েছো কিচেনেই থাকো. So you are not expected to destabilize your stable relationship between your gender femininity and your stable kitchen. That's why topophilia is a concept that feminist geographers, they try to explore. Now, why am I theorizing topophilia in the middle of Raksha Bandhan, happy Raksha Bandhan? Because women are expected to remain true to their gender. And what is this truth of gender of femininity? Stay close to kitchen, stay rooted to house, stay protected, stay saved. And who are these saviors and protectors? They are also staying true to their gender. And how are they staying true to their gender? They are staying true to their gender because they are doing this protecting, they are doing this savior's role. So once the dada, the brother, does protect the sister, a dada or a bro does not protect a sister. All he does is play his correct gender. Yes, sexed male, gendered masculinity. So go out. Either you are a rapist since you are sexed male, or if you are a bhalo dada, then go out and protect all the sisters, because that is another masculinity that male sex body is expected to verb, do, perform. Now, Raksha Bandhan therefore becomes an incredibly interesting way in which patriarchy, heterosexuality, heteropatriarchy, heteroproprietorship, heteronormativity consolidates, stabilizes, and fixes these stereotypical codes of gender performances. Now, when I am given this beautiful Rakhi, I hope you could see this beautiful Rakhis. I love this Rakhi. I wish there are more rainbow colors in that Rakhi. Anyway, so in this beautiful Rakhi that I am given to one of my sisters, I promised her, that sister, whoever has given me this Rakhi today, I have promised her that since I am sexed male, I will fail to perform the gender masculinity. Okay, and I cannot guarantee you that I will protect you. And obviously my sister is pretty upset with this brother who cannot protect sister, particularly on this auspicious, beautiful occasion of Rakhi Purnima. Now, why did I say these heartbreaking words to my sister? I said these heartbreaking words to my sister not because I do not love her, but because I love her too much. Now, why and how do I love my sister too much? Not by being happy in Rakhi Purnima by way of wearing Rakhi and promises to be a protector and turning her into the protected. Let's celebrate this Rakhi Purnima differently. And how differently could we celebrate this Rakhi Purnima? Let's promise to each other, let's promise to our sisters, let's have this oath being taken between brothers and sisters that let's not focus on Rakhi, let's focus on education. Instead of giving your sister the Rakhi so that she could tie that Rakhi to the brother so that the brother could protect the sister, educate the sister, give the sister proper education. So on this occasion of Rakhi Purnima, I promise my sister that okay, I'll take care of you, not by way of protecting you, by way of educating you. And every time she will be educated properly, she does not need the protection of this poor brother anymore. And when she will no longer need my protection, not that I can protect her, every time I'll be saying Happy Rakhi Purnima. Now my Rakhi Purnima probably becomes happy finally. And now my tears of happiness could stop, and if I cry now, that would be tears of pride, rainbow pride, and tears of the fact that my sister does not need protection from the brother because my sister is independent, my sister is educated, self reliant, and if anything, let's destabilize these gender roles. Brothers are not there only to protect the sisters, sisters are not only there to be protected. Let's have it mutual. Let's create a rhizome of relationship, as Giles Deleuze and Felix Guattari would say. Let's create a gender trouble in this Rakhi Purnima, where we will try to educate our daughters, our sisters, our girls, our wives, our women, so that they do not need the protection of the brothers. And let's educate the boys. Before we conclude this YouTube video, I have a very important message to those brothers who are going gaga on this Rakhi Purnima because the sister has tied Rakhi in their hands. Yes, instead of becoming happy in this happy Rakhi Purnima, go and educate your sister, and before that, go and educate yourself. Yes, go and learn queer studies, go and learn gender studies, go and read Judith Butler, go and read Eve Kosofsky Sedgwick. And when you will study and educate yourself, the brothers, then you won't have a situation where you would molest, harass, torture, and hunt other sisters, so that their brothers, instead of wasting their time while protecting their sisters, they would educate their sisters and also could educate themselves in the process. Thank you. Happy Rakhi Purnima.